Hi there! You want to learn Chinese in an easy and funny way? This is the right place. I'm Julie, and you are on Good Study. By the end of this video, you will be able to speak more than 20 new Chinese words or expressions. Watch until the end. I created a quiz, so you can test your new knowledge. Let's go! 房子，房子。公寓，公寓。客厅，客厅。卧室，卧室。厨房，厨房。卫生间，卫生间。阳台，阳台。花园，花园。窗子，窗子。窗帘，窗帘。门，门。灯，灯。桌子，桌子。椅子，椅子。沙发，沙发。衣柜，衣柜。床，床。浴缸，浴缸。淋浴，淋浴。抽水马桶，抽水马桶。楼梯，楼梯。电梯，电梯。测验，A 椅子 B 床 C 桌子。这是什么？ A 门 B 窗帘 C 灯。这是 A 浴缸 B 沙发 C 衣柜。A 电梯 B 花园 C 房子。Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, click like and don't forget to subscribe. 谢谢。